Looking for the best mirror dash cams to enhance your car's safety? In today's video, we'll be diving into the 5 best mirror dash cams for cars, featuring top picks that offer incredible front, rear, and interior views. These dash cams are not just about capturing your drive. They provide extra protection with features like night vision, G-sensors, and parking monitoring. Whether you're a daily commuter or long-distance traveler, these mirror dash cams are designed to give you peace of mind on the road. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Obdpeak 3-Car Dash Cam. The Obdpeak 3-camera dash cam offers exceptional value for anyone looking to enhance their car's safety and surveillance. Featuring an impressive 4K front camera, 1080p interior camera, and rear camera, it captures every angle of your journey. The 12-inch full touchscreen makes it easy to control and view live footage, ensuring a seamless user experience. The dash cam comes equipped with advanced features such as night vision, GPS tracking, and real-time surveillance. With its G-sensor, it automatically records in the event of a collision. Wide dynamic range ensures clear footage in all lighting conditions, while digital zoom helps focus on important details. Supporting up to 128 gigabytes of memory, it allows for long continuous recordings. The loop cycle recording ensures no gaps in footage, even during extended drives. Plus, the waterproof rear camera adds durability, perfect for all weather conditions. This dash cam also includes Wi-Fi connectivity and supports an external GPS logger for added convenience. It's a great tool for anyone needing reliable, comprehensive coverage on the road. Second product on our list, 70mm S500 Dash Cam. The 70mm S500 Dash Cam, your ultimate driving assistant. With its 9.35-inch IPS touchscreen, this dual-channel dash cam combines style and advanced features. It's built to deliver unmatched performance for safer and smarter driving. The S500 offers stunning 3K resolution at 2592 by 1944 pixels, powered by a Sony IMX675 sensor. Enjoy crystal-clear footage day and night, thanks to its HDR and f1.8 aperture. Its wide 138 degrees FOV captures every detail on the road. Night shot function ensures clarity in low light, while waterproof rear cameras add durability. Plus, loop cycle recording and real-time surveillance keep you covered 24/7. Stay hands-free with voice control and easily connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. With support for Class 10 memory cards up to 128 gigabytes, storage is never an issue. Whether it's parking assistance or continuous recording, the 70mm S500 is a game-changer for drivers. Upgrade your car today. Third product on our list, HGDO H350 Dash Cam. The HGDO H350 Dash Cam, a 3-in-1 solution for front and rear recording, streaming media, and parking assistance. This compact device boasts a sleek design, measuring 26 by 7 by 2 centimeters and weighing just 950 grams, making it a perfect fit for any car. It's built with durable plastic and features a crystal-clear 12-inch touchscreen display. The H350 captures stunning full HD 1080p video with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens. Its advanced 1/3 CMOS sensor ensures vibrant colors and sharp details. With dual lens functionality, you can record both front and rear views simultaneously. Plus, the internal GPS logger accurately tracks your routes and speed. Night vision and G-sensor features make driving safer, even in low light or emergency situations. The dash cam supports up to 128 gigabytes of external memory, ensuring loop cycle recording without losing critical moments. It even includes MP3/MP4 playback and a built-in speaker for added convenience. Powered by the reliable Novatech chipset, the HGDO H350 uses H.264 video compression for smooth, high-quality recordings. It's compatible with multiple languages, making it user-friendly worldwide. Whether you're looking for safety or entertainment, this dash cam delivers exceptional performance in every drive. Fourth product on our list, Olesed Mirror Dash Cam. The Olesed 10-inch dash cam, a powerful device that takes your driving experience to the next level. With an impressive 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, this car DVR ensures crystal-clear video quality. The 170 degrees wide-angle front camera and rear camera capture everything around you. This dash cam is packed with features like loop cycle recording, real-time surveillance, and parking monitoring, ensuring your car is protected 24/7. It supports 256 gigabytes external memory, and the voice control feature makes hands-free operation simple. With its night shot function and wide dynamic range, this dash cam excels in low-light conditions, providing clear footage even at night. Enjoy 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and external GPS for seamless connectivity. The dash cam also records speed and coordinates, making it a great tool for drivers. Fifth product on our list, Qiyou Mirror Dash Cam. The Qiyou 10-inch mirror camera, a versatile dash cam designed for safer driving. This device features full HD 1080p resolution on both its front and rear cameras, delivering sharp and detailed recordings. With a 170 degrees front view and a 155 degrees rear view, it ensures wide-angle coverage for all situations. The 10-inch IPS touchscreen makes it easy to control, offering a 16:9 ratio and a 1:1 split-view display for simultaneous front and rear monitoring. Equipped with loop cycle recording, it continuously captures your journey, while the G-sensor locks crucial footage during sudden impacts. Thanks to its night shot function and wide dynamic range, it records clearly even in low light. The innovative streaming rear-view mirror replaces traditional mirrors, offering real-time visuals that work perfectly in bad weather. This dash cam supports up to 128 gigabytes external memory and records in MOV format for efficiency. It includes essential features like motion detection, parking monitor, and anti-fog design, making it reliable in any scenario. The Qiyou 10-inch mirror camera is a sleek, smart, and reliable solution for modern drivers.